Some apps on your Mac can access your camera, your microphone, even your entire hard drive. And right now you might have no idea which ones. Here's how to check in under 2 minutes. All right, let's do a quick privacy audit on your Mac. This is one of those things that takes like 5 minutes, but you'll be really glad you did. I'm going to show you exactly where every single app permission lives in macOS. Click the Apple menu, then System Settings, and scroll down and click Privacy and Security. This is your permission control center. You'll see a big list here: camera, microphone, location services, contacts, calendars, reminders, full disk access, and more. Let's go through the ones that matter most. Click Camera. You'll see every app that has asked for camera access. Toggle off anything you don't recognize or don't actively use. Do the same for microphone. Video conferencing apps like Zoom and Teams need these, but random utilities probably don't. Click Location Services. You can turn off location entirely for specific apps or set them to while using, meaning they only get your location when the app is open, not in the background. This one's important. Full disk access means an app can read every single file on your Mac, including protected system folders. Only apps that genuinely need it should be here, like backup tools or security software. Remove anything suspicious. There you go, a 5-minute privacy audit that most people never do. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for more Mac tips like this every week.